How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron, back out with another Jeep Patriot video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your fog lights or upgrade to LED fog lights. I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade the LEDs, but yeah, it's a pretty easy process. It takes maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So I'll walk through the steps with you guys, and let's get right into it. So I just thought before I started that I'd show you the actual bulb itself. This is an aftermarket LED bulb from Amazon. I believe it's LL Lighting. I can link the actual bulb into the description down below, but pretty much to remove the bulb from the socket, there's these two clips in the sides right there and there. You'll be pushing in those two clips. You'll be pushing in the two clips and pulling out from the headlight or the fog light housing. I'm just showing you this now because it would be kind of hard to remove the factory bulb from the housing. So let's get under the Jeep and look right at it. So it's gonna be kind of hard to see, and I'm not really sure how good it's gonna turn out, but if you look right there, that's the wiring harness clip that plugs into the actual bulb, which is right before that where my finger is. That's the bulb itself, that's the wiring harness. So if I actually stick my hand up into, this is where your radiator is. Your oil filter there is there. There's the little big gap where the radiator is. There's that little small gap. You want to stick your hand up there until you can reach the back of the wiring harness and the bulb. And the clips, the two clips that you squeeze, I said, they're on the top and the bottom. So you're just gonna squeeze those. They can be pretty stubborn and difficult, but you just want to squeeze and wiggle. There we go, I got it. So there's the factory bulb, and all you have to do to disconnect the wiring harness, let me just prop you up right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. But you're just gonna squeeze and pull, and that's the bulb, that's the connector. So let me grab the aftermarket bulb, and let's do this again. We're just gonna be lining up. So there's the clip, there's a little center prong in there. You should be pushing that into there until you feel it clicking. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually feel for the hole with your finger. And then you just wanna push it in until you hear it clip. I know that's in. Just come out from under just to verify. That's what it should look like. Don't mind all the bugs and everything. If you have cut holes for tow hooks, you can also reach it right there. As you guys can see, it's a lot easier, honestly. Not a lot of you guys are gonna have this big open gap here, and it's actually too skinny to fit your hand through here. But I can actually reach the bulb like that. I think it's easier going up, under, and over. But however you guys think it's possible, easier for you guys. So let me put you guys back on the tripod. We'll show you the brightness difference, and yeah, we'll wrap up the video. As you guys can see, it's not really the best scenario because it's daylight out, but this is the factory halogen bulb. That's the aftermarket LED bulb. Like I said, the aftermarket LED has more of a whitish color to it. It's a lot brighter than the factory halogen bulb, which is there. I totally recommend it, and they're cheap bulbs. They're probably like maybe 20 bucks for two. So it's super cheap. I'll link them down below. If this video helped you guys out, leave a comment down below, leave a like on the video, and subscribe for more Jeep Patriot videos, and I'll see you all next time.